Okay, let's start implementing the offer structure. We can do so using the struct keyword. Let's call it offer. Here, we will need to put all the needed information as fields for the structure. We will first need a creator. It will be a managed address. As you can see, this managed address is a managed type, a very efficient data type that is used when working with the blockchain. We will need an offered payment, which should be a payment. An accepted payment as well. Finally, we'll need to whitelist an address that can only accept the offer. An accepted address, which is also a managed address. As we work with managed type, we'll also need to implement a managed type API. When we create an offer, we store the address of the creator of the offer. We store the address that can accept that offer, and we store two token payments, one for the offer payment and one for the accepted one. If we go to the definition of the ESDT token payment, we can see that it is a struct that contains the token identifier, the nonce of the payment, and the amount of tokens. Now, we need a way to store our offers. For this, we use storage mappers. Storage mappers are functionalities that allow us to store data on the blockchain. Let's create a storage mapper that saves the entire list of offers. In this case, we'll use single value mapper. It is a simple and very efficient way of storing only one single value. And here, we'll need to specify the self API. So we store for each offer ID the actual offer. The offer ID would be a simple number. For example, it could also be an unsigned integral U64. But we can specify a custom type. And instead of writing it like so, we can make it more clear. We can define it here. Pub type offer ID. The contract will now know that the offer ID is U64. We now need to add a derive attribute to our offer struct. I'm going to put the top encode and top decode. We'll also need type ABI. To have information in the ABI about the data type. Let's see if this version builds using SC Meta or Build. And it looks like indeed the contract builds successfully. We still need a way to store the information about which is the latest offer ID that was created. To do so, we create a new storage mapper. We call this the last offer ID.